Under My Roof, version 1.12 introduces a new item list filter rule called multiple associations. You may want to watch the item list filters tutorial first, as this tutorial only covers the new option. A multiple associations rule matches an item's association against multiple categories, collections, conditions, heirs, locations, and tags. It's super handy for more complex filtering needs. Click or tap in the box below the Filter By and Rule options to select these associations. Click or tap the Browse By button to change the association type. The Rule option determines how each item is matched against the chosen associations. With the rule set to Associated with All, an item must be associated with all of the tags as well as the category and condition we've chosen in order to match the filter rule. With the rule set to Associated with Any, an item must only be associated with one of the things listed in order for the rule to match. With the rule set to Not Associated with All, an item matches if it is not associated with everything that was selected, but can still be associated with some of them. And finally, with the rule set to Not Associated with Any, an item matches if it is not associated with anything that was selected.